Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at Call Me Gigi. So today's vlog is gonna be a DIY slash a tutorial vlog. I'm gonna teach you how you can make homemade sandwich in less than 8 to 10 minutes. If you are new to the Gigi squad, please feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Well, I don't want to start explaining everything in the video, so please watch this video to the end and share, keep sharing, keep liking, keep commenting, drop the comment, keep the comments flowing in. Okay, like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Of course, you know that Gigi loves you. Gigi loves you, and voila, bye. So guys, welcome back. So I'm making use of my ketchup. This is my ketchup and Heinz mayonnaise. You can use Bama too. So we're making use of raw egg. These are raw eggs. And also this is my seed tomato. That's what I'm gonna use for the sandwich. I've already sliced some in a plate. This is it. So on my other plate you can see some sliced bread there. I love using Nibbles bread. I got it at the supermarket. So this is my toasting machine to make your bread crunchy. Some persons don't like crunchy bread, but me myself, I don't like crunchy bread. So what you do is you carefully place the bread in the toasting machine, then plug the toaster for about 20 seconds and break your raw eggs in a bowl or in a plate and whisk with your fork. So this is my raw eggs. I'm using about 3 eggs. So next thing we're gonna do is we're adding a pinch of salt. I don't like adding Maggi to my egg. I just don't know why, but then I prefer just salt alone. So remember we're frying the egg. So this is my lovely, wonderful looking fry pan. Please don't mind the face of the fry pan, no, okay? So what you have to do is you're adding your oil to the fry pan. My fry pan is at medium heat. So I'm gonna let the oil get very hot, not too hot, but let it get hot before I can start frying the egg. So we'll come back to this later. Let us mix our mixture. So this is my ketchup that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. And on the second plate I'm gonna be adding my mayonnaise. You can use Bama, okay? It's not a big deal. You can use Bama if you cannot buy Heinz mayonnaise, if you can't find it in the supermarket. So we're gonna mix these two pastes together to achieve an evenly mixture. So this is gonna look very pretty now, very fine. Yes, so that's how you mix it. Oh, this is how the paste looks like. So my oil is very hot and it's good to start frying the egg. Oh, what have I done? As you can see, I placed too much oil in the fry pan. Please, when you're frying, use small oil, please, so that your egg will not get soaked. So as you can see, I'm using my spatula to flip the egg to the other side so that the egg will not get very burnt, and so that the other side can also be ready too. So this is how it is. I'm flipping it slowly because I don't want my egg to scatter, but it's still scattering. It's still oh guys, you can actually do better than me in this frying of egg or in this video. So just watch and learn. So now this is the bread. You see how the bread has turned out to be. I just removed the bread from the toasting machine and this is how it has turned out to be. You see the mark? That line will help us towards get the sandwich cutting. So this is my fried egg. This is my sliced tomato, and this is my paste, combination of ketchup and mayonnaise. So what we need to do first is we're going to carefully place the paste in the first bread, the first slice. Rub it evenly. Me, I love plenty paste in my bread though. So that's how you do it. Then next thing to do, you see, add another paste. Oh, okay, if you don't want to add another paste, fine. Okay, yeah, this is where you add another paste to the bread, on top of the bread. It's just as though you're doing bread and butter. You know, when you want to mix bread and butter for your siblings or for anybody, that's how to do it. So next, you carefully place your sliced tomato on top of the bread. So this is just a plain sandwich. There are some sandwich that you have to add chicken to it. It's just a plain and easy homemade sandwich. So I guess please, you all should watch closely, see what I'm doing. Everybody, we are all learning. So next thing to do, we're going to place yes, we're going to place the egg there. So I'm actually using 4 slices for my sandwich. Many people used to use 8, 9, 6, 7, but I just prefer 4 so that I can be able to bite it. Well, you know, my mouth is not very big, so let me say I can bite it very well. So this is how your sandwich will look like. And the next thing to do is get your knife. Please use a sharp knife and follow the line and cut through to get your sandwich shape. So ta-da, this is how the sandwich looks like. So it's ready to it's ready to eat, or it's ready to be served with hot tea or Hollandia yogurt or any kind of drink of your choice. You can use it as a snack. You see how very pretty it is. So for those people that don't have some persons don't really have a toaster, or a toasting machine, don't worry, I got you covered. You can look at are you seeing the difference between the two bread? One has a line and the other one doesn't. So this is normal bread. If you don't have a toasting machine, you can do it like that. Just repeat the whole process again. Please don't forget to subscribe. Gigi loves you. Subscribe to the Gigi Squad. I love you, and I've got lots of things to show you all. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So we're repeating the same process again. So as you can see, this one is ready. So you cut through with your knife. So it's ready. Sandwich is ready. Very yummy. Oh wow, I'm actually salivating. Oh God, it's very yummy. So you can use the sandwich as breakfast with tea, very hot tea, hot Lipton tea, or maybe with your Hollandia or Coke or Fanta. Damn, we're back. That sandwich really looks yummy. Oh gosh, I wish you all should just try it out. And please leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video till the end, please drop a comment, like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Join the Gigi's Squad. Let's take this channel to the permanent site. And I'm preparing a mighty vlog. Until then, adios amigos, au revoir.